messy. How can I fix this? But I know how to fix this. Now I will teach you how to fix your hair in a beautiful and an easy way. First, you should comb your hair first, and then after combing your hair, I just comb my hair. If your hair is not if your hair is curly and you can comb it, you should use oil. Oil. Here we should use this. And then you should now comb it. After combing it, wait, I'll just comb it. Sorry for my background, guys. It's so ugly. First, you should comb your hair first. My hair is so curly, so my hair is hard to comb, especially if it's dry. So my shampoo is Dove. So you should use Dove to make your hair smooth. Uy, ang ino, Janine. There. And now, after using it, put oil again. And then, okay. Your hair could be like this. If you want, you can make it like this. First, one hairstyle that is beautiful is this. Okay. Now, the first style of my hair is like this. So, is it beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful. Now, the next is letter B. Your hair is like this. And next, you can use this as and next, after that, comb your hair again. You should choose, and that letter A is this one. Letter B is this one. Letter C is this one. You can also put accessories so that you will be cool. Here's the letter C, the side bangs. With side bangs, okay. This is with side bangs, and then this with side bangs. You can put headset so that you will look cool. So, what do you choose? Letter A, letter B, or C? So for me, the most beautiful one is letter C, this one. So now you can add accessories. Where's my eyeglasses? Where's my eyeglasses? You can put if you're a nerd, it can be like this. So now after you should you should selfie so that everyone could see your picture that your hairstyle is beautiful like me. I'm so beautiful. And this is my cousin. She's Janelle, and for her beautiful hair is like that. Okay, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching. Just choose from A or B. Bye.